If you're doing a 4-wheel steering swap or have the rear steering gearbox off for some reason, you're going to want to check that it's in the true center position before you reinstall it. Remove the rear cover bolts with the T40 Torx bit. Use your center lock tool and lock the gearbox in its center. Wipe the grease away from the bottom of the gear. If it's in the correct center position, you'll be able to see this hole and this line, and they should be pointing straight down. Also, this measurement here will be the same on each side. This is showing one of the incorrect centered positions. 32 rotations will completely cycle the gearbox, but each 360-degree turn, you can get the center lock tool in place, so it's easy to get into the wrong centered position. If yours isn't in the correct center position, just keep rotating it one direction until it lines up correctly. It could take up to 31 turns. Once you're done, just reinstall the cover and torque the bolts to 9 foot-pounds or 12 Newton meters.